So the griot joins the list of people, including Essence, to write hit pieces about Amanda Seales. Amanda is someone who has studied, who knows what she's talking about, and who understands the gravity of the moment that we find ourselves in. You media companies, especially you Black ones who claim to celebrate and endorse and advertise and amplify Black culture, to do some internal reflection on what that actually looks like. As someone from Chicago, Illinois, I've seen this happen before. And I saw an article about Chance the Rapper that was written by a Black woman speaking directly to a very personal family situation that he was going through at the time. And it was a hip article. It came right on the heels of Chance the Rapper donating $1 million to CPS schools. And he was very critical of Rahm Emanuel and then Governor Bruce Rauner.
Friday, I met with Governor Bruce Rauner to urge him to do his job and to honor his original commitment to provide $215 million to CPS so our kids can finish the year strong. Our talks were unsuccessful. Governor Rauner broke his promise to Chicago's children a few months ago as a result of an admitted emotional reaction. I'm proud to announce that I am donating $1 million to CPS to support arts and enrichment programming. Governor Rauner, do your job.
I guess the mayor had to step out when I came up. I've been asking for money for over a year now to fund these classrooms, and on the 4th of July weekend they announced that they have $95 million, or that they're proposing to build a $95 million cop academy. What else can I say? What is y'all doing?
And because he was vocal about these things, that somehow coincided with him getting a hit piece wrote about him and his family matters. Chance the Rapper, when he was going through that, made a song addressing some of these issues and addressing the Sun-Times article.
And I can't do nothing right, they gon' always be at me. I miss a Crane's interview, they try leaking my addy. I donate to the schools next, they call me a deadbeat daddy. The Sun-Times getting that Rauner business. And Rahm, you done. I'm expecting resignation and open investigation on all of these paid vacations for murderers.
And that was one of the moments that really changed my relationship with media. It made me realize that, of course, all skin folk ain't kinfolk. And it made me realize that there are politics and there's money involved in these things. And that if you step on the wrong toes, we'll hire your own people to tear you down. Any Black platform that is using their time and their media attention to write stories attacking other Black people, especially ones who are speaking up about issues that other Black leaders in the past that we revere have spoken clearly about, such as Angela Davis, Nelson Mandela, James Baldwin, Malcolm X, etc., then I think you're missing the moment. This is not about hubris. This is not about ego, because what you're doing right now is a practice of anti-Blackness. People who know see it. You can deceive who you want to deceive, but we see the anti-Blackness in the words that you write. We see the vitriol in the words that you're using to talk about Amanda Seales. I hope y'all can get free and do some internal reflection that you're begging other people to do without doing it yourself. Love and liberation to you all. And as always, like and follow for more content.